Imagine waking up in the morning, sunlight streaming through your window, and walking into a home that feels fresh and clean, without the exhaustion or backaches that often come from traditional cleaning. For many seniors, cleaning can feel like a heavy chore, but the truth is, science shows there are easier, safer ways to keep your home sparkling. Let's talk about 5 of the most effective tricks that will make your cleaning routine lighter, healthier, and far more enjoyable. 1. Microfiber cloths and mop pads are one of the best tools you can use. Unlike cotton, microfiber traps dust, dirt, and even tiny microbes with very little effort. This means you don't have to scrub as hard or repeat the same motion over and over, which is easier on your wrists and shoulders. They're washable, reusable, and proven in research to clean surfaces more thoroughly than old-fashioned rags. 2. The right tools can protect your body while you work. Heavy buckets, stiff brooms, and short mops can strain your back and joints. Instead, choose ergonomic, lightweight tools with adjustable handles. Even something as simple as pouring large, cleaning liquids into smaller, spray bottles makes a big difference. Less weight in your hands means less pressure on your arms and extendable handles. Let you reach high shelves or under the couch without bending or overstretching. 3. Pacing yourself is not just wise, it's healthier. Studies show that breaking chores into short, regular sessions helps maintain your energy while preventing fatigue. Rather than pushing through hours of cleaning in one go, set a gentle rhythm, 10 to 15 minutes here and there. Your body will thank you, and you'll avoid the aches that come from overdoing it. 4. Cleaning smart also means cleaning safe. Soap and water are perfectly effective for most surfaces, and when stronger disinfectants are needed, always follow the label instructions. Gloves protect sensitive skin, and good ventilation protects your lungs. Using the right product the right way keeps your home healthy, while protecting your own health at the same time. 5. Finally, make vacuuming easier with modern technology. A lightweight cordless vacuum, or even a small robot vacuum, can do wonders without straining your back or shoulders. Many newer models come with HEPA filters, which capture allergens and keep the air you breathe cleaner. For anyone with dust sensitivities, this simple upgrade makes daily life more comfortable. These 5 habits aren't just about cleaning, they're about protecting your health, conserving your energy, and making your home a safe and welcoming space. If this advice helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips made especially for you. Remember, caring for your home should never come at the cost of your health. A cleaner home is a healthier, happier life.